In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings on Marvel Rivals. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize various settings about Marvel Rivals. You will be able to customize the display setting, the graphics, gameplay settings, keybinds, and so on. I'm going to be teaching you how to do this on PC, but keep in mind that you might also be able to find some options available if you are doing this on console. For PC, you just click on this little settings icon before queuing into a match. You can do this on most menus. And then once you go into these settings, you will find all of the categories at the top. So for PC specifically, we have display, audio, keyboard, controller, social, other, and accessibility. You can browse through each of these categories according to your preferences. I'm not going to go over every single setting available, but of course you can just read the category name and have an idea. Display is usually going to refer to the graphical quality of the game. So if you notice that your game is not running out well, or you are getting something like input latency, make sure that you are running on full screen, and try to mess with the resolution settings. You can do an FPS limit. If you notice that your FPS is unstable and jumping all over the place, you can enable the option to see your FPS if you prefer, so you can always keep track of it. And of course, you can lower the actual graphical fidelity of the game, in turn giving you better performance. You can make the audio or the volume lower or higher according to your needs. You can customize individual options, so the music. You can make sure that your microphone is set up properly for the voice chat so others can hear you. And you can customize keybinds on a keyboard or a controller. So if you want to use a specific keybind for a hero, you will be able to select them here. And once you have selected the hero that you want to customize, you can change every single button related to movement, abilities, level, weapons, and even individual settings related to this hero. So for example, Spider-Man has options related to swinging. And then on the social, other, and accessibility, you will have more options to make your experience better. Social usually refers to interacting with other players. You can play privately, or you can leave your communications open so you will interact with other people. Other won't have much. This is usually just tutorials and setting diagnostics to make sure that everything is running properly, and accessibility might help you if you have specific vision impairments or other problems. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Marvel Rivals settings. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.